Alright, so I'm back and with another video, and in this video we're going to talk about the Seedream 5.0 update from UlazAI. Pretty straightforward, right? Because every single video I waffle, yap a bit about the model, something is new, and in the basics the whole platform is pretty much the same. So if you watched all the previous videos, then you know that this platform is really good. It works good, it's seamless, it's cheap. So regarding image generation, just head to UlazAI. But the new model that has just dropped, I haven't found it anywhere else. Seedream 5.0 Lite. So it means that the developers are also pretty on top of their game. They are able to ship out new models pretty quickly. So we're just gonna test it out. And I just tested out Nano Banana 2. That also got from was also made by added on UlazAI. Now I'm just going to do the exact same prompts, and I'm just going to use Seedream 5.0 on UlazAI. I'm just going to use Seedream. You use 6 credits. I don't know the conversion rate on the credits to euros actually, but like for $10 you get like 1,000 credits. So that would mean like I'm able to generate more than 100 thumbnails, and that would be pretty nice. So I'm just going to generate this. In the meanwhile, I'm just going to talk a bit about the studio settings. As you see down here, you can select your models. And they have a lot of models. Here we have the new and premium ones that we've just tested. Then you have tools. The tools are like recipe infographic, product shot lab, add creative pack, YouTube thumbnail maker, and the face and head swap. So this one's actually pretty funny. You can select your dimensions. Much better. That's funny. Look, if you look at the Nano Banana ones, then it was pretty AI-ish. Of course, this is also pretty AI, but it's a bit better. I would prefer this one regarding this one. But that is unfortunately not something that the model has. That the platform has a lot of control over. These are just the models. But if I would need to rate the platform on a scale of 1 to 10, yeah, it's a pretty solid 9. There are a couple of design thingies, but the studio works pretty fine. So I'm just going to do the second prompt that I used, and it's the recurring gag that we have of the chickens on the farm that do no harm. Just a short call out: if you want to use UlazAI, just head over to ulazai.com and test out. I think you get like 100 free credits at sign up through Google. So if you use your Gmail, you get 100 free credits, so you can test out and play around a bit. And every time I just look at my phone over here, you get an email whenever the generation is done. So that's also pretty nice. So let's say, for example, I'm prompting there, working there, I'm just generating images at the same time. Then you can see the email notification and see what you need to do right now. And as you can see, so in fair comparison, Nano Banana 2 wins on the chicken on the farm image, but Seedream wins on the thumbnail image. And that's my 2 cents regarding the Seedream 5.0 update on UlazAI. Thank you.